Korean has two main ways to make a statement or question negative. First one is short negation using an and 못, and second one is long negation using 지 않다 and 지 못하다. In addition to this, commands and proposals are made negative through using the form 지 말다. In this lesson, now as a beginner's class, we'll start with how to change verbs and adjectives into negative with an that translates as meaning not. Negative an is an abbreviated form of 아니, as in 아니에요, which means no, or 학생이 아니에요. I'm not a student. An is a neutral negative word that simply means does not or is not. To put a verb or adjective into the short negative form, you place an in front of the verb or adjective. An plus verb, 안 가요, do not go. 안 먹어요, do not eat. 안 마셔요, do not drink. 안 plus adjective, 안 비싸요, it's not expensive. 안 작아요, it's not small. 안 높아요, it's not high. Notice that the short form negation is used for declarative and interrogative sentence types, but not for imperative and propositive sentence types. For instance, consider the following for different sentence types. Declarative, 야채를 안 먹습니다. I do not eat vegetables. The sentence is correct. Interrogative, 야채를 안 먹습니까? Don't you eat vegetables? This one is correct too. Imperative, 야채를 안 먹으십시오. To make an imperative sentence type, you add the ending 으십시오 to the base of the verb. However, the sentence 야채를 안 먹으십시오, due to the use of an, it sounds weird. The sentence is grammatically wrong. Propositive, 야채를 안 먹으십시다. The propositive sentence type is made by adding the ending 으십시다. Just like in the imperative sentence type described, due to the use of an, the sentence is not correct. Consequently, the short form negation an is not used for imperative and propositive sentence types. There is an exception to the use of an. Not all verbs and adjectives cannot be used in the short negation form. Few verbs and adjectives that have corresponding negation verbs cannot take the short negation forms. For instance, 알다, the meaning is to know, has a corresponding negation verb, 모르다, which means do not know. Consequently, the short form negation with 알다, such as 안 알다, is grammatically wrong. 있다, which means exist or have, has the corresponding negation verb 없다, not exist or not have. And 맛있다, the meaning is delicious, has the corresponding negation adjective 맛 없다, tasteless. When negating compound verbs that are made of noun plus 하다, you need to place the negative an in front of 하다, not the whole compound verb. For example, 요리하다, 요리 안 해요, I do not cook. The verb is a combination of a noun plus 하다, 요리 plus 하다. The short form negation an is placed between the noun and 하다. 공부하다, 공부 안 해요, I do not study. 운동하다, 운동 안 해요, I do not exercise. 연습, 안을 사용하여 다음의 동사와 형용사를 짧은 형식의 부정으로 바꾸시오. Change the following verb or adjective into the short form negation using the negative 안. 보기, 텔레비전을 보다. 텔레비전을 안 봐요. 김치를 사다. 김치를 안 사요. 방을 청소하다. 방을 청소 안 하다. 주말에 바쁘다. 주말에 안 바쁘다. 음식이 짜다. 음식이 안 짜다. 야채가 비싸다. 야채가 안 비싸다. 연습, 대화를 완성하십시오. 보기, 연수씨, 지금 비가 와요? 아니요, 지금 비가 안 와요. 1번, 한국어를 배웁니까? 아니요, 한국어를 안 배웁니다. 2번, 냉면을 좋아하세요? 아니요, 냉면을 안 좋아해요. 3번, 어제 숙제했어요? 아니요, 어제 숙제 안 했어요. 4번, 한국 친구가 있습니까? 아니요, 한국 친구가 없습니다. 5번, 현수씨 전화번호를 알아요? 아니요, 현수씨 전화번호를 몰라요.